In this video, I'll show you how you can create movie posters in Disney and Pixar style. And we're going to talk about 4 amazing AI tools that you can do just that. The first tool we're going to talk about is ideogram.ai. Here is the URL. So just write your prompt here, something like this. So I've written a boy wearing a black t-shirt that says tag in Pixar style, 3D render, poster, Disney Pixar logo, and portrait style. All right, so let's hit enter. All right, so our images are ready. Select the one you like the most. So suppose I like this, I'll click on it and click here to download it to your computer. All right, so let's move on to the next tool. Tool number 2 is leonardo.ai. Here is the URL. Just click on create an account and log in with your Google ID. All right, so just enter the prompt here. We're going to use the same prompt and then click on generate. All right, so Leonardo AI has generated these images. So I really like this. I'll just use it. Click here to download it to your computer. All right, so let's move on to the next one. So this is Microsoft Bing. So just enter the prompt here and then click on join in create. And there you go. The AI has created our images in just few seconds. So select the one you like the most and then click here to download it to your computer. All right, so the next tool we're going to look at is cr.ai. From the home page, click on generate. Log in through your Google account. So once you're logged in, you need to enter the prompt here and then hit enter. This one is much realistic. So if you like any of these, just click here and save it to your computer. Now to make a poster out of these images, we will head over to Canva and copy our image here. From here, you need to go to the left and click on text. From here, you can use any of these templates if you want. Let's just click here and change the text. All right, so we have written Text Boy. That's the name of our movie. So let's resize it. And there you go. You can go to effects and maybe you choose this. All right, so our movie poster is ready in just few minutes. All right, so let's try changing the picture. All right, so this is the other picture that we have created. All right, so this is much better. So that's how you can create amazing Pixar style posters in just few simple steps. All right, so that's about it for today. These were the AI tools through which you can create amazing Pixar style movie posters with just few simple steps. I hope you find this video helpful and make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys in the next video.